The number one reason people are using AI is for therapy and companionship. Guess what was last year? Therapy and companionship. That's probably a little bit maybe a view into our society as a whole. But AI for 2026, number one, therapy and companionship. Number two, I think somebody said troubleshooting. Number three, fun and nonsense. Number four, fan fiction and storytelling. Then we get to technical use of software at number five, autonomous agentic operations at number six. That's probably the most interesting data set, is that the autonomous agentic operations, which to me in my mind is the real game changer for how organizations are using AI, is agentic AI, where they're beginning to build bots that actually do the work for them. I serve several organizations on the West Coast in Silicon Valley, and nearly 90% of the clients I serve in Silicon Valley are already using AI agentic agents for SDRs, right? It also happens that SDRs is the highest rate of turnover in any selling organization at somewhere around 45%. So you think about a business problem and a business technology, CEOs and COOs are looking at high turnover roles in SDRs and replacing them with AI agents. So what do we have to do, right? As a selling profession, right, we have to get really good at using technology, just like we learned how to use the internet, just like how we learned how to not click on every link that we learned how to click on that opened up backdoor portals, right? We have to really embrace AI, not as a therapy and companionship friend, but also really, as Kevin just said, in really utilizing it to advance a good thought process, right, with good prompts, with good outcomes, and it is a very, very powerful tool.